prosecution star witness says he was present when Tesha Miller gave orders to kill the JUTC chairman.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
On day one of the Tesha Miller trial, the prosecution's star witness told the Supreme Court that he was present at a meeting when Miller gave an order to kill. Tesha Miller is being tried for being an accessory before and after the fact to murder in relation to the killing of then Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC chairman Douglas Chambers. Chambers was killed outside the JUTC's offices in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on the 27th of June 2008. The Crown's main witness told the court that the order to kill Chambers was given by Tesha Miller. The witness is a self-confessed member of the Spanish Town-based Klansman gang. He is now serving a murder sentence. The witness told the court he operated as a gunman and extortionist for the gang. He identified Tesha Miller in court. The witness told the court he knew Miller very well. According to the witness, he has known Miller for more than 10 years. According to the evidence presented before presiding judge Georgiana Fraser, the witness says a meeting was called the day before Chambers' killing. He says other members of the gang were allegedly at the meeting when Tesha Miller told the black man to carry out the assassination. The black man referenced is Andre Bryan, who is currently before the court answering anti-gang charges. Bryan was found not guilty of murdering Chambers in 2016. The witness says in the evening hours of the day on which Mr. Chambers was murdered, he and a group of men hid in bushes close to the JUTC depot in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He says he and a group of men were charged with creating a diversion following the shooting of Chambers. The witness says his role on the day was to fire shots that would draw suspicion away from the men carrying out the killing. Court was adjourned before the prosecution's first witness could complete his evidence. He will return to court at 11 a.m. on Thursday, the 14th of November.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.